right or wrong sa inyong mga answer ate. Ang iyo ka lang so, true or false sa inyong true or false ang inyo is so dire ka. Lagi ang group 1 and this is group 2. Di ko alam ni based on understanding lang kayo. Kung mag-play ko, kung mag-play ate, wala kang mag-start ang discussion. So, the first question is true or false ang next month? True or false lang? Makita siya nga nila. Yes. Now, what's your answer? I think you should do raise your hands if you're going to answer. I agree. Paunahan na lang din siya. Raise your hands. I go. Okay. True. True is correct. Okay. So, group 1, group 2, group 3. Ready right now? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Larga. Yes, that is false. The next is ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Can you give a certain explanation about it? No, our last question. That's all for our now I'm going to send you our questions. First, first is be quiet always, right? Then raise your hand if you have questions or suggestions, and then third is listen. So our classic objectives are at the end of this lesson, the students will be able to identify the two types of self-taught and differentiate each thought and explain the essential contribution of each self-taught in their lives. So the first thought is the Western concept of self. In the Western concept of self, it emphasizes the autonomy, individualism, and rationality, which is rooted from the third historical ancient, medieval, and Renaissance. When we talk about the ancient Greek philosophy, are the bearers of values, or unique values, which means it's all about we respect others. Um, we prioritize to give worth to one another.
Yes.
In the medieval thought, Thomas Aquinas linking the body to individual. In the what? What?
Linking the body to individuality.
Means that in the part, no? The integral part is the body. Integral part of ourself and is a medieval thought is our body. Yes. Then the Renaissance humanism. Normally, sa Renaissance period, no? Present nga yung atong thought or concept ni René Descartes na I think, therefore I am. Asserting the self as a thinking entity. No? Kumbaga, you think independently, no? Parang sa word pa lang na I think, therefore I am. Kung muna isip na ako na other thought is me, no? Of course. Next is, there are four dimensions of Western self na discovered ni Frank Jensen, which is analytical, monotheistic, individualistic, and materialistic, or rationalistic. When we say analytic, no, it is the viewing as reality separate parts, self as distinct from others. The main conflict within analytical is the me versus others. Reaction ay gets niyo?
Kaya analytical.
The next is monotheistic or model of Unitarian. No? This means that a man is created by God in his image. Kumaga, kapatay mo itong topic sa grade 12 pa sa ika ng God created us, no? Nakapalihan niya. It's me, no? Then, the third is individualistic. Individualistic or prioritizes self-expression and self-actualization. It embraces or it focuses the individuality, no? Respecting others, and also is pursuing personal growth or young development, and also developing our humanity or individuals. So we say individualistic, it focuses on prioritizing self-expression and self-actualization. It means embracing individuality, and then pursuing personal growth or development natin, and also valuing our humanity. So the last is materialistic and rationalistic. Means is valuing logic and tangible evidence over abstract. Means kung gituuhan lang nila, kung uli nila makita, ako nilang tuuhan. Kung, for example, they only believe in what they see rather than those na mga pagtuo lang tibalik. Gets me or what?
Ibalik, matuunan sila ay makita nila, pero
Yes,
they
they
also
only
get
believe
istorya na din.
Yes. Gets me, no?
Yes.
Next is the Eastern concept of self. The Eastern tradition emphasizes unity or universal consciousness or the Brahman, with no separation between the individual and the divine. Kumbaga, we are connected to the divine one. So, who's the divine one? Any idea? God, yes. The divine one. Diba siya may divine one? Let's see you.
The self is part of the is connected.
The Atman or the self is connected to the universal consciousness of Brahman or the divine one. The second is Buddhism. The self is illusion. Illusion or ganap niyan, imagination lang ito. Anatta or no self. That is the term of no self or the anatta. You see? Then, a dynamic changing process. Kumbaga, waray permanent self or soul sa atin. Or that means that there are always a change in our self or soul. There is no permanent unchanging self. Kumbaga, di ba, ma-develop ang ita from where you go until sa ma-develop through lifespan nato. Di ba, mas dagdagan na rin mo ma-develop ako sa next is confusionism. The self is shaped by social, relationship, and moral development. In Confucianism, it says that our self was not literally inborn. This is literal na. For example, ikaw kuman, this is na para sa una, ako yung ikaan. Na-develop na ito ang atong self, kung isa na kaman, nga sa, na-develop na ito self, so kung sa kumusap na kuman, through socialization. Yes. Next is Taoism. The self is a manifestation of Tao, or ideal self. That means that the self is a part of the universal rather than being separate. You see? That means that the self is a part of the universal rather than being separate. Kumbaga, connected siya, kumbaga, our self are interconnected with the other. Let's see. This one. The naf or self type is neutral at birth, shaped by thought and action. It can evolve into both or elevate both individual and collective emotions. In Islam, in the Islam concept of self, it means that the self is not inherently good or evil. Pag di sa describe ako sa kabata, sa tanas niya or sa tiyan, di ba? Mayroon sa ito pag magdakot na siya. And also, ma-describe. I'm sorry. So in the Islam, being good or evil is not literally inborn sa ato, which is na-develop lang siya through sa ato, the way we think, the way we act. The next is the differences between Eastern and Western and but Western society strives to find and prove the truth. Kumbaga, they seek truth sa ilang mga, kumbaga, for example, I am a traveler and I am going to find, so to travel, to find the answers about about sa akong gusto ba. There's scientists tries to find the truth. While the Western society accepts the truth, so they're not going to strive to find truth, but kung unsay naa sa ilang human, ilan na lang di focus and then ilan na lang di hanapan how to balance